Don't want to watch the market all day? Pending orders let CTrader trade the level for you. Here's how: instead of buying or selling right now, pending orders trigger automatically when price hits a level you choose. There are 4 types: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Buy limit opens a buy below the current price, for when you expect price to dip then bounce. Sell limit opens a sell above the current price, for when you expect price to rise then reverse. Both aim to enter at a better price than now. Buy stop opens a buy above the current price, used to catch breakouts to the upside. Sell stop opens a sell below the current price, used to catch breakdowns. Both confirm momentum before entering. Open the order ticket, switch from market to pending, pick your order type, set your trigger price plus SL and TP, then confirm. CTrader executes at the moment price arrives. Now you can trade key levels without staring at screens all day. Follow